Hey everyone, this video is to introduce you to the Source Ship Sell website. I have built this website out and put a lot of work and effort and energy into making it as valuable and as content rich as possible for any visitor, including your good selves that come along and want to know more about importing, selling online, branding, private labeling, packaging, and everything else that's in between and involved in this crazy niche that we are all part of. Anyway, this is the website. Please come and check it out. It's got basically the services here. We've got a free beginner's guide, but you guys probably won't need that because you're on one of my main courses. But if you do need it, then you can click there and you will get the download. There are loads of other guides and infographics and bonuses and all that. So if you do sign up, you'll get put on an email list and I will be sure to send all that good stuff to you. If you do see anything that you would like, you can hit me up and contact me through the contact us and I'll send you whatever you require to get you on your way. The blog is not really just a blog. It is full of tutorials and really content rich, full of value articles. It's not like a normal blog you see on a website that's just got like cookie cutter, like basic blog content for Google. These are in-depth tutorials that really go into detail about specific subjects. I've got tables of contents so you can jump around and check stuff out. And yeah, I really go into depth on everything. Once I get typing, I can't stop. So I there's also videos embedded in here as well for you guys to check out. Some of these videos are in the courses. They're part of the free samples on the courses, or they're on my YouTube channel, which I hope you're subscribed to. If not, please check that out too. And yeah, there's loads and loads of content on this website. We will be linking to this website throughout the course, whichever course you're on. And yes, it will be used as an additional reference for you guys to use as you're studying and learning how to do stuff. I really hope you like it. If you do, please hit the share buttons on this website because I really want more people to see it and come to it. And yes, that's it. Source Ship Sell website at sourceshipsell.com. I hope you like it. See you in the next lecture. Cheers.